I'm gonna be real with y'all, but as a nail technician, sometimes we don't even get to eat lunch during the daytime. So at nighttime, besides dinner, late at nighttime, we be getting the munchies. Y'all got the munchies at late night times? So I made myself some fried rice. My fried rice simple: garlic and onion with 2 eggs, y'all. Light up that fire really high, put the pan down, add some peanut oil, and I like to cook my eggs first, y'all. So I'm gonna get that 2 egg going down to the grill, and I'm gonna go and cook it. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop some garlic on the side of the pan, and I'm gonna add some onion on the side. And let's check on that rice. Ooh, let's put that rice on top of the garlic and the onion. Don't stir it up yet. Let that rice cook good so that garlic and onion can smell through the rice. Now you stir it up, but don't forget about the butter, y'all. Fried rice, you gotta have the butter, you know what I mean? And then once you put the butter in, add some black pepper. I like myself some pepper flakes. Ooh, tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop. And after that, stir it up, y'all. Don't forget, you gotta add some soy sauce. Me, I like to add a little fish sauce in there. Boy, that smells good. And now, y'all, look at that. Look at that. I like my food hot, y'all. And I know my kids smelling that fried rice, but I'm not telling them that I'm done yet. Because why? I'm gonna take my first bite, because when I tell them, they're gonna eat it all. Let me enjoy this shit real quick. Hold up, what else do I got? Ooh, don't forget about that fried shrimp. I got my midnight fix.